atoms.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates from LearnFatafat.com.
Dear students, substance is made of small indivisible units called as atom. Each element has their own unique atoms. So, in order to differentiate between atoms, elements are assigned with different symbols. Here we are going to learn symbolic representation of atoms of elements.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Do you know, Dalton was the first to represent symbols for elements. Elements were represented by circles containing letters or symbols. After that, Berzelius presented more easier way to represent symbol of elements, in which starting one or two letters from the name of element were used as a symbol. Nomenclature of elements. Nomenclature is process of naming elements. Names of elements are often derived from their place of occurrence or from their colors. Once the name of element is approved by International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is IUPAC, it is accepted universally. The symbols of elements consist of one or two letters. The first letter is always in uppercase and second is always in lowercase. Some symbols are also taken from Greek and Latin names of elements. Atomic mass. Dalton's atomic theory opened that every atom has specific mass. So, scientists were curious to find mass of atoms. As atoms are extremely small, earlier scientists found it difficult to measure mass of atoms. So they used the law of chemical combination.
Watch ad-free and complete syllabus on LearnFatafat Android app. Download the app now.
Let's take an example. Formation of carbon monoxide requires 3 gram of carbon and 4 gram of oxygen. It's shown that oxygen is heavier than carbon. Atomic mass unit. Atomic mass can be expressed with this unit. At first, scientists chosen 1/16th weight of oxygen as atomic mass unit. This is because oxygen reacts with most of the elements to form various compounds. But due to gaseous nature of oxygen, it was still difficult to calculate mass of atom. Hence they chosen carbon as standard reference due to its solid nature and ability to form compounds with many elements. Therefore, atomic mass unit can be redefined as a mass unit exactly equal to 1/12th mass of one atom of carbon-12 isotope. Earlier it was denoted by atomic mass unit. Now, by IUPAC recommendations, it is denoted by U. Relative atomic mass unit. It is defined as average mass of the atom compared to 1/12th the mass of one carbon-12 atom. So here we complete this topic. Thank you for watching the video.
Like, share and subscribe LearnFatafat.com and press the bell icon to never miss an updates from LearnFatafat.com.